Hello guys, I'm John Papadopoulos. I'm the EMEA Solution Architect for Ricoh Communication Services, and what I would like to present to you is the complete solution by Ricoh, the small to medium size business solution, which is based on Crestron Mercury and the Ricoh Interactive Whiteboard. What we have here is we have three devices: a camera, an interactive whiteboard, and the Crestron Mercury. Everything connects to the Crestron Mercury, and the idea is that you have in the meeting room the camera, the interactive whiteboard, and the Crestron Mercury. You walk into the meeting room, you connect your laptop via USB cable, and automatically the laptop will be able to recognize all the peripherals connected to the Crestron Mercury. We selected the Crestron Mercury because it's a device which offers us all-in-one. So we have a SIP phone embedded within the Crestron Mercury. We have the ability to share content via cable and via wireless. And we have also the ability to run Skype for business calls directly from the Crestron Mercury platform. The idea is that the users will walk in with their laptop, which is a device that they're already familiar with. They will connect to the Crestron Mercury, and automatically they will be able to utilize all the peripherals connected to the Crestron Mercury with their laptop. So they won't have to use the camera on the laptop, they will use the big camera in the room. They don't have to use the microphone and the speaker in the laptop, which is limited. They will be able to use the proper video conferencing, big size speaker and microphone in the room. We have bundled this with the Ricoh Interactive Whiteboard, which will be able to automatically offer you collaboration of content. So we can have here basically the interactive whiteboard environment where we can write and we can erase. We can also share content on the screen. There you see our video conferencing platform where I can collaborate on the content. I can take a snapshot of the content and it builds up my PDF document with all the collaboration I'm having during my meeting. I can basically use that to send it over email to various participants. I can save it on the local hard drive. I can store it on a cloud hard drive, and I can share this in multiple ways with the people that they're interested in receiving that content. The bundle comes with a Ricoh Interactive Whiteboard, but we also have a variation of it where the customers will not require any collaboration. So in that case, we offer the exact same bundle, but with a non-touch screen, with a simple screen alone. The idea is to offer the customers a very simple solution, easy to install, where you don't have to configure anything with your IT department because the laptop is already a corporate laptop, which is already a secure device approved by your company. And that's pretty much it. For any more information, please feel free to visit the www.ricoh.com. Thank you very much.